Dear kids, welcome back to our online class. Measurement. To read the hours, the time from an analog and digital clock in correspond to hours. Yes, what is time? That is what you're going to learn in this class. Time. In a clock, we have three hands. That is big one, small one, and also a very thin hand. The big hand is busy, the small hand has power. That means the small hand is for hours. It is the main one showing hours. And the big one is for minutes. And the thin hand is for seconds. Now let us learn how many seconds make a minute, how many minutes make an hour, how many hours make a day.
The big hand is busy, but the small hand has power. The large one counts the minutes, but the little one names the hour. When both hands stand at the top together, it's sure to be 12 o'clock. But whether it is day or night, that's 12 at noon or 12 at night, depends on if it's dark or light. You know the importance of clock. You can manage your time if you know how to read a clock. When you know to read a clock, you can find out the time to play, read, and so on. There are two types of clock, analog and digital clock. Let's now learn about analog clocks and how to read the time. A clock face is a round object with numbers starting from 1 to 12. It has hands which point to the numbers to tell you the time. The short hand is called hour's hand and the long hand is called the minutes hand. The minutes hand shows you how many minutes have passed and there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. The hour hand will circle the entire clock 2 times each day because there are 24 hours in a day. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, 60 minutes is 1 hour, 24 hours, 1 day. When we read the time, we have to read like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, like that. All the 12 hours hands are mentioned here. You can just see it and name it from 12 to 11. Half an hour. That means half in an hour. 60 minutes is 1 hour and 30 minutes is half an hour. 12 hours 30 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes. These are the examples given here. 30 minutes count from any time is half an hour. Skip count by 5. Time between two numbers is count as 5 minutes. If the minute hand is at 1, the time shows 5 minutes after the hour. If the minute hand is at 2, the time shows 10 minutes after the hour. If the minute hand is at 3, the time shows 15 minutes after the hour. It goes on like that. In short, multiply the numbers shown by the minute hand with 5 to find the minutes. ஒரு நம்பருக்கும் இன்னொரு நம்பருக்கும் நடுவில் 5 minutes அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். உங்களோட மினிட் ஹேண்ட் எங்கே இருக்கோ அது 12லேருந்து நீங்கள் கவுண்ட் பண்ணி மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். From 12 to 1 is 5 minutes, 1 to 2 is another 5 minutes, 2 to 3 is another 5 minutes. Now you have altogether 3 5 minutes. So 5 into 3 is 15 or you can add it 5 5 5. From 12 to 3 is 15 minutes. So 12 hour and 15 minutes. You can calculate the hour according to the hour hand. AM and PM. We have 24 hours in a day. The first 12 hours of the day is denoted as AM, ante-meridian. On the next 12 hours as PM, post-meridian. For an example, 7 o'clock in the morning is written as 7 am. 7 o'clock in the evening is written as 7 pm. From morning till afternoon is am and other 12 hours is pm. ரெண்டாக பிரிக்கிறாங்க ஒரு நாள் 24 ஹார்ஸு. எப்படின்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு 12 ஹார்ஸ் தென் செகண்ட் 12 ஹார்ஸ். அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மார்னிங் ஏஎம் தென் பிஎம்.